Hello, English 101 students. I just wanted to record a short video to give you a little bit of information about the writing workshops that are coming up. I have dates available, and so does Alessandra, and we would love it if you guys would come and sign up. I know it can be kind of intimidating to have, I don't know, online interaction with someone that's a stranger. Sometimes I definitely feel that. I've been an online student for a couple of years, and there's always that initial hesitation, for me at least, to jump in and come in for office hours or anything like that. But just wanted to let you know that the writing workshops are pretty casual, and it's a great way for us to know what you need in kind of an easier, more expedited format than just responding back and forth via emails. So it's a good way for you to jump in, say hi, throw out as many questions as you need to for us to kind of help you hone in your ideas or see where you can work, or if you just need someone to bounce something off of, we're here for that. Obviously, I can't write your paper for you, but I love writing, and I love helping students succeed. So that's what I'm here for. Also, it's pretty boring for me if no one shows up. So I'd love to help you with your paper. You are also welcome to either show up with your face right here on screen, or you can just share your screen so that I can't see you at all, or you can just put on your voice so I can just hear you if you would like. The Zoom platform gives us a lot of options, so if you're a little camera shy and you don't like this type of interaction, we can still help you. So please come and sign up. And you know, if that's not something that you're comfortable with at all, but I hope that you are, please still feel free to reach out with any questions to the Writing Center. I have gotten in touch with them and just said, hey, can you take a look at, my APA and tell me if it looks right? And they were really quick to help me with that. They can help you with really specific questions if you just need, hey, is my, I don't know, like, is my genre good on this? This is what I'm going for. Like, does this fit with what I'm, trying to accomplish? Please remember that it's really good as a writer to get feedback from different places. So, if you can get feedback from your peers when you're doing your peer reviews, and to get feedback from another place, somebody that's going to be objective and knows the work and knows what you're going for, and won't just tell you, oh yeah, that's really good, because we want good, clear feedback, that will be helpful on our writing when we're trying to do well in class and we're trying to accomplish something with our writing. So I know getting feedback can be really hard, but it's really good, and I think you'll find that your writing drastically improves when you get feedback from multiple sources, and especially academic sources where people are trying to help you succeed and not just judging your paper, because we're not here to judge your work. So we're just we're here to help you find your voice and get it on paper, so or on your computer screen. Anyway, I hope to see you soon, and go on over and sign up for a writing workshop, and I'm here for any questions that you may have. Take care and happy writing.